Well, the government today tabled the interim budget, and as expected, it was a budget full of sops. There were lots of populist items on the budget, with sops galore, from a farmer income program to tax waivers for the middle class.
As the finance minister announced the tax rebate for the middle class, the treasury benches burst into chants of Modi, Modi, symbolizing what this budget was really about, the election.
इकोनॉमी को नई गति से लेकर न्यू इंडिया के निर्माण तक सबका ध्यान इस बजट में रखा गया है.
Middle class taxpayers.
With major announcements for both farmers and the middle class, former Prime Minister Manmohan Singh told NDTV this was all about the elections.
It's an election budget.
The income tax has been reduced by 5 lakhs. Do you think that's a welcome decision?
Well, I think in the circumstances of the case, concessions to farmers and concessions to middle classes will have obviously implications for election.
ये जो अपने आप में हिस्टोरिक बजट है और ये दूसरा सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक है.
Sir, how is the Josh after the budget?
Very, very high, extremely high.
What do you have to say about the budget?
Extremely positive.
The government is saying that this is the surgical strike being conducted by the Modi government when they presented this budget.
Well, as you know, the so-called surgical strike in Pakistan didn't prevent any of the bad things that have continued from there. So I'm not sure if this is what they call a surgical strike. That means they're anticipating failure in advance.
देश के बहुत बड़े वर्ग को, किसान, मजदूर, मध्यम वर्ग, सभी वर्ग, मैं मानता हूं इस बजट से प्रधानमंत्री जी से जो अपेक्षा थी वो अपेक्षाओं को पूरा करने वाला बजट रहा है. और मैं मानता हूं मध्यम वर्ग जो प्रधानमंत्री जी से अपेक्षा करता था उससे कुछ ज्यादा ही प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मध्यम वर्ग का समर्थन करने का काम किया है.
It's an election budget, and clearly the focus in the next days and months will be on the implementation and how the people view these promises that have been made and whether they will be kept by the new government which comes to power after the 2019 Lok Sabha elections. With camera person N. Ravi, Sunil Prabhu, NDTV.